सीएम आतां म्हजें घर स्कीम लॉन्च जाल्ली आसा. सीएमान तुमकां कोमुनिटीक अर्ज केलें की ती मातशी ताका हेल्प करा जावं कोणाक घर बांदपाक दियात. कोमुनिटीचेर भरपूर घर आसा ती म्हणटा लिगलायज जातली. सो तुमचो स्टँड कितें आसतलो?
We are not going to allow all this type of things because they are all migrants who are there, especially on Moti Dongor. They are all migrants. They are not Goans.
तुम्ही ऑलरेडी कोर्टा
We have already gone to the court for its demolition. The demolition notices had already been given to them. Now it's in the court. For the last 12 years, it's in the court. Now the court will have to take the cognizance of that.
South Goa.
That is the scheme of the BJP government, not anything related to us.
दुसरी एक हें आसा की तुमी एक स्टँड घेतलो साऊथ गोवा कोमुनिदाद फोरमान की आमी परते हे स्किमीक ओपोज करतात. ताजें कितें जालां?
The petition has already been filed by the South Goa Comunidades, which will be coming up on the 17th. They have filed this petition.